Hi there. Today we are checking out the Pyle Megaphone Speaker Bullhorn. Now, inside the box, you'll find a plastic bag with all of the paperwork and then the megaphone itself tucked neatly underneath. The bag includes a lifetime warranty card and a user manual. Now, the manual is short, simple, and straight to the point. Everything you need to know is laid out clearly. Now, here's the megaphone. It's made of shiny, durable plastic with no smudges or scratches. Very clean look. You get a retractable handle for grip and a strap already attached for carrying. And now for a feature rundown. You've got two song modes, regular voice, amplifier, and a loud siren. There's a volume slider so you can adjust the loudness easily, and right above that, a power indicator light so you know when it's on. Now for battery installation. This megaphone runs on 4C batteries, which are not included, so make sure you grab those. And installing them is super simple. Just pop open the compartment, slide them in, snap it shut, and you're ready to go. All right, now for the fun part. Let's turn it on and test it out. Testing, testing, testing. That's the Pyle megaphone. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.